Hey guys, it's Symphony. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I had a lot of fun making this video for you guys. It is my full face of drugstore and beauty supply products, and I just loved it so much because I'm all about trying to create that beautiful look, that glamorous look that all women should be able to achieve. All women and men, everyone in beauty should be able to achieve a beautiful, glorious look without spending all of their coins. So make sure you watch this video all the way through to see all of the products that I actually put on my face. Thank you again for clicking, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Join the Sweet Symphony family, join the Sweet Symphony sisterhood. I know you want to. And yeah, don't forget to miss any future uploads. Like this video if you enjoyed it, and make sure to leave video requests in the comments down below. Yeah, let's get into the video. My brows are already done. I just used this eyebrow pencil from the beauty supply store. You can literally get just a regular beauty supply eye pencil. This is like dark brown. There's one that's a little bit lighter. Just go according to your skin tone. But a lot of times I do like to use this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil, and this is also considered drugstore. Is it gonna focus? And this one is in neutral brown, I think. Neutral brown or dark brown, something like that. So I just went ahead and filled in my eyebrows with that, and I used the LA Girl Pro Conceal to just conceal underneath, and then I just put foundation on top. But I will make a whole entire separate eyebrow routine video so you guys can see like step by step exactly what I do, how I just create my own eyebrows, because my natural eyebrows, oh sis, it's a no. So for foundation, I'm just taking the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. I believe this is like between 10 and 12 bucks. It really depends on like what store you go to. I know Walmart is a little cheaper than like, don't buy this at Ulta, it's gonna be too expensive, but well, maybe not. Anyway, I'm just gonna go in with that all over my face. I like to use the end of a brush just to distribute it so it's not in clumps. This foundation actually is super good. It dries quickly, so I actually need to hurry up, but I like that it has a pump, so you can just pump it onto your face or onto the back of your hand. You don't have to pour it. You know exactly how much to use. So like, let's say you do it the first time and you realize, oh, I only need 3 pumps, then you know every time after that, 3 pumps is enough. And then I'm just gonna take my Raggedy Real Techniques face sponge. These come like 2 in a pack for 10 bucks, and that's super affordable to me. And just blend that all out. I know a lot of people swear by the actual beauty blender, like the real beauty blender that's sold at Sephora by Beauty Blender, but this is so much more affordable. You get, for half the price, you get 2 sponges. And just blend that all out. I usually do use a makeup brush, like an actual foundation brush, but I want it to stay relatively all drugstore, just so you guys can see like start to finish exactly what to use to get this exact same look. And just blend that up. You guys know I wear wigs, so I try to get this as into my hairline as possible. And just blend that out into the hair. So I'm just gonna squirt that on the back of my hand and just blend that all underneath my eyes. This concealer actually is super thick, super creamy, and gives you a nice full coverage. A lot of people say that they changed the formula, and I do agree, but even with a changed formula, it still gets the job done to me, and I don't feel like you necessarily have to go out and purchase another concealer. Now I'm just gonna let that sit, because the longer that you let it sit, the more coverage you'll actually get from it. So if you just go ahead and blend it out right away, you're not gonna get a lot of coverage, but if you let it sit, it'll actually like settle in and then give you like a more beat look, and that's exactly what we're going for. So we're gonna let that sit a little bit, and then we'll just come back and blend everything in. Okay, so I'm just gonna take the other side of my Real Techniques sponge and just blend this all out. Starting at the chin, because I still wanna give like my under eye some time to sit. Blend up here. Okay, so now we have that all blended out. I'm just gonna take my, this is Coty Airspun powder. You can actually buy this at Walmart for about $5. I just put it in this little jar because the actual Coty Airspun container, like the top, doesn't completely screw on, and I was traveling, so I just threw it in this little jar, and then I just unscrew it. And the powder is actually pretty like peachy, and I was actually pretty concerned about if it was gonna work for my skin tone, but it does. You just cannot overdo it. And I feel like that's the key for, I'm just gonna tap it off like that, and then just only use what's left on here. I feel like that's the key for women of my complexion and even darker, is that you don't, if you don't overdo it, you should be okay as far as like flashback and looking ashy and things like that, because a lot of what is this called, a lot of setting powders are going to be a lot lighter than our skin tone, especially Drugstore. And just press that into the skin. And now I'm gonna take my Fenty, oh wait, no, I can't use the Fenty Beauty stick. Oh no. I can't use my Fenty Beauty to contour because I'm doing Drugstore. Okay, I'm gonna take, what am I gonna take to contour? I'm gonna take the, does ColourPop count as Drugstore? I guess not, because you can't go to the drugstore and just buy it, even though it's affordable. Shoot. Okay, we're gonna take, oh my god. Okay, we're gonna take this, I don't know if this is gonna be too dark. Okay, we're just gonna do it. We're gonna take this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Mahogany, just to kind of like try to carve out my cheekbones. I don't think I've used, have I used this before? Maybe. It's been a long time since I've used this, and I stopped using it for the Fenty Beauty stick because this was so like, it was hard to blend, I think. I don't know. Okay, let's find out, but we're just gonna go like slow because I'm nervous. I'm literally just gonna dab that much just to see how this is gonna work. I guess in this instance, when you don't know, literally less is best. It just squirted everywhere. Ew. This brush is from the beauty supply store. This is a Ruby Kisses, wait. Yeah, Ruby Kisses by Kiss brush. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Maybe I should use my beauty blender. Okay, let's use my beauty blender. Or my Real Technique sponge, I should say. It's not moving. Let me snatch that double chin up. No more double chins, no more triple chins. Shoot. This is exactly why I didn't like using this in the first place, because it will not move. Like once you put it down, it's over. Shoot, okay. I like to create my little chin. That was so hard to blend out, like so hard. Okay, so if you have all damn day to blend out your contour, by all means, go purchase this. If you do not have all day to go blend out your darn contour, get your fancy beauty stick or use just a powder contour, because I don't know who has hours. It looks good, but who has hours to just sit there and just blend and blend and blend and blend? Like, if you're buying makeup at the drugstore, odds are you don't want to spend all day doing this. So next we're gonna go ahead and powder contour with the True, what does this even say? True Complexion Contour Palette. This is by Black Radiance, and as you can see, I've already hit pan, so this is the truth. I'm just gonna tap this in there, and this won't take all day. See, we can just set that in place. Set this in place. And just blend that out with my Real Technique sponge. No harsh lines. No harsh lines. Okay, so my nose contour is all done. I'm gonna go ahead and do eyeshadow, but I don't have any drugstore eyeshadows, I don't think. I don't think I have any drugstore eyeshadows. I don't think I have any beauty supply eyeshadows, and I did not realize that, so I didn't run out and go get any. So I'm going to do what I actually do quite often, just like on a regular basis, which is use my contour palette to kind of do like a little simple eyeshadow look. We're gonna take these e.l.f. eyeshadow brushes and just go into this palette and kind of like do something super simple. I'm gonna take the Sculpt shade as my transition shade and just kind of blend that right here. Then I'm gonna take the contour color and just kind of like use that to deepen the crease. actually going to take this Black Radiance contour palette. Is this a contour palette? No. This is a pressed powder. I've actually hit pan on it. It looks pretty used. I'm going to take that, it's a little darker, and use it to deepen the crease even more. And just deepen the outer V. Now using my Kiss eyeliner from the drugstore, I'm just going to go ahead and line my eyelids. I'm just doing a simple line just to cover the band for my lashes. Okay, for setting spray, I'm just going to use this NYX Dewy setting spray. In the winter, I like to use dewy because matte. In the winter, your skin is already dry and then everything is just matte to your face and it makes you look old. So just use the dewy. So I'm just gonna hop off camera and do my lashes. These lashes are from the beauty supply store. They're by Cherry Blossom 3D Silk Lash and the number 18. They were only $3. And I think they're just like super easy. You don't have to like spend a bunch of money to get them. I think expensive lashes, like nice mink lashes, definitely can be worth the money. But if you're just getting into makeup, or you are practicing lashes, or you just want like a nice easy lash that you don't have to spend a lot of money for, it's just your regular everyday lash, I think the beauty supply is a perfect spot. Like, they have so many different styles. These ones are super pretty. They also have these that kind of like flare out more. So cute. Okay, so my lashes are on, so while we wait for those to dry, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my face with the highlight portion of this contour palette and my Ruby Kisses fan brush. This highlight is so pretty to me. Like, just effortless. Like, look how pretty that is. Put a little bit on my chin, a little bit right above the brow. Blend with a beauty blender. I keep saying beauty blender, I mean Real Technique sponge. Okay. Now I'm gonna take my blush brush and my blush from Black Radiance and go ahead and add some blush and just blend the highlight and the contour together. And I go heavy with the blush. I think that's showing up. Oh, she's a doll. Okay, so now for lips, I'm gonna go ahead, I need some chapstick or something. Instead of regular chapstick, I actually use Vaseline, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of that on my lips before I put on lipstick. Oh my God. Sorry, my phone keeps going off, so rude. And I'm gonna take this, where is it? Pencil from the beauty supply and line my lips. And I kind of fill in my lips with it a little bit to create like a little nude look. And then I'm gonna take this matte liquid lipstick from L'Oreal in the shade Create. I used this in one of my recent videos and I'm actually starting to be obsessed with it. Okay guys, so that actually brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button down below to see more content like this. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart to everyone who watched this video, to everyone who clicked, to everyone who watched all the way through. Thank you so much. I hope that you guys can achieve this look. If you achieve this look, please tag me on Facebook, on Instagram, and let me know in the comments below if you tried it. Let me know in the comments below if you want to see more videos, what kind of videos you want to see, and things like that. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.